Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Wrike for team collaboration step by step in 2026. Ah, Wrike helps teams work together smoothly, and using it the right way improves productivity. First, invite your team members. Uh, Add them to your Wrike workspace by email and give proper roles. Correct access is important for collaboration. Next, create shared projects and folders. Keep all work in one place so everyone knows where to work. Shared visibility reduces confusion. Now create tasks and subtasks. Break work into clear tasks and assign them to team members. This avoids overlapping work. After that, use comments for communication. Comment directly on tasks instead of emails. Use at mentions to notify teammates instantly. Next, share files inside tasks. Upload documents, images, or links directly. This keeps everything organized. Then update task status regularly. Change status as work progresses. This helps everyone track progress in real time. Now use timeline or Gantt view. See deadlines and dependencies clearly. This helps teams coordinate better. After that, enable notifications and reminders. Wrike alerts keep everyone informed. No one misses updates. Finally, review progress as a team. Check dashboards and task updates. Adjust timelines if needed. So, yeah, using Wrike for team collaboration means sharing projects, assigning tasks, communicating in comments, sharing files, tracking progress, and staying aligned. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next